Created your account, let's log in. Log in to Cal State Apply using the username and password you created. Once you've logged in, you'll want to complete your extended profile. In this section, you'll be asked a few questions, beginning with your degree goal. For this, you should select the second bachelor's degree and beyond option, as our graduate business programs fall under this category. You'll then select the graduate option. The next section of the extended profile will ask if you're applying to return to CSU campus, which you've previously attended, and if you intend on completing the same degree. In short, this question is asking if you've attended CSU Long Beach before for any of the graduate business programs you're applying to. For this section, you will select no. Even if you're a CSU Long Beach undergraduate alum, you'll select no. You should only select yes if you've previously enrolled in one of our graduate business programs, left the program, and are returning to that same program. Next, you'll be asked about your U.S. military status and if you've served in the U.S. military before. Select the appropriate response that applies to you. The last section of your profile will ask if you're an international applicant and if you'll need an F1 or J1 visa to study at CSULB. If you are a U.S. citizen or have a permanent address located in the U.S., you should select no and indicate what state you live in. If you are not a U.S. citizen, please select yes. Now that your Cal State Apply profile is all set up, our next step is to select the program you're interested in and begin filling the application out. Remember, you can only apply to one of our graduate business programs per admission cycle. To select the program you'll be applying to, first click on Filters and select CSU Long Beach. Then, under Source, you should see two options, Campus and Extended Education. If you are applying to any of the following programs, Evening MBA, Online MBA, MS Accountancy, MS Finance, or MS Marketing Analytics, select Campus. If you are applying to either the Accelerated MBA, Saturday MBA, or MS Information Systems program, select Extended Education. Once your program is displayed on the screen, go ahead and click the plus sign to the left of it to add it to your Cal State Apply application. Then click Continue. CSULB recently implemented alternate programs. A pop-up will appear asking you to select an alternate program. You may select no if you are not interested in an alternate program, or select yes if you are interested in an alternate program. If you select yes, you will be taken back to the full list of available programs and will need to select your alternate program of interest. Please note that not all programs are participating in the alternate program option, and you cannot select another College of Business graduate program as an alternate program.